Jeremy Clarkson said he is coughing up his spleen and complained his body doesn't work anymore in a worrying health update. It comes after the TV star said he is terrified of getting dementia, as he continues to suffer with a long-term health problem. Speaking in his column for the Sunday Times, the 63-year-old has described getting breathless during walks with his son. The former Grand Tour star said that he tries to walk to Stamford Bridge with his 26-year-old son Finlo, but has admitted that he struggles to keep up. He then went on to explain that he then can't concentrate on the first half of the match as he is left coughing from the mild exercise. Jeremy said, "When I hear that a man of my age should do 10,000 steps a day, I just think, right, and how on earth would I find the time to do that?" Then when he talked about his son and his football trips, Jeremy said, "When I go with my son to Stamford Bridge, he poodles along at what people call walking pace, and to keep up I have to unleash my inner Bannister. Which means that for the first half of the match I can't concentrate on the football because I'm too busy coughing up my spleen and trying to get my breath back." He then added that he is noticing that as he ages, most of his body doesn't really work anymore. This comes after Jeremy has been open about being worried about having dementia. Admitting that the worst health issue he has is his hearing, he has still managed to cope. Jeremy has struggled with his hearing for the last 12 years. However, he soon found out that there is a growing connection between hearing loss and dementia and is taking action to lessen his chances of being diagnosed with the disease. He said he was told at one of his checkups that hearing loss will double the chance of him getting dementia. According to the NHS, if a person has mild hearing loss that has not been treated well by medical professionals, the risk of getting dementia doubles. However, if a patient has moderate hearing loss, this risk increases to being 3 times as likely, and if the hearing loss is severe, a patient can be 5 times as likely to develop the condition. After his visit to his GP, Jeremy said that he has now been fitted with a pair of very snazzy and extremely clever hearing aids which he says will hopefully drown out the sound of the unwanted background twaddle he hears during social events. 1 in 11 people over the age of 65 have dementia in the UK, according to the NHS, and it is estimated that by 2030, the number of people with dementia in the UK will be more than 1 million. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.